Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale across Jamaica. House number 1. Now this is a 3-bedroom 4-bathroom townhouse located in the gated community of La Ventura. This is in the Kingston 20 area. The size of this house is approximately 2,000 square feet and it's been sold at a cost of 33 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have a kitchenette. And we're then going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. We move right along to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom. And here we are at the upper floor where you can see a glimpse of the 4th bathroom. That will then end house number 1. House number 2. This is a 3-bedroom 3-bathroom house located in Newland, Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this lot is approximately 21,780 square feet and it's currently for sale at a cost of 23.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go to the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next, we have the living area. Dining area. And followed by that is the kitchen. We're then going to move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Moving right along, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 2 out of the 3 were shown. Up next, we have the laundry area. And this is the single car garage. We then move from here and head to the back of the property. That will then end house number 2. House number 3. This 2-bedroom 2-bathroom house is located in Tranquility Glades in Retreat, St. Mary. The size of this lot is approximately 12,871 square feet and it's been sold for a cost of 24.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. We then move on to the living and dining area. And next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Followed by that, we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And that will then end house number 3. House number 4. For this 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, it's located in Yala, St. Thomas. The size of this house is approximately 8,500 square feet, and it was sold at a cost of 25 million Jamaican dollars. As we take a closer look, here we have the veranda. This is the first living area. This is a second living area. And here is the dining area. Unfortunately for the kitchen, there were no images provided. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is the third bathroom. Lastly, we have the back patio. We then move from here to the back of the property. And that will then end house number 4. House number 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house located in Inglewood in Maypen, Clarendon. The size of this house is approximately 2,178 square feet, and it was sold at a cost of 21 million Jamaican dollars. Up first, we have the garage. And that is then followed by the veranda. We then move on to the living and dining area. And next is the kitchen. We're then going to take a look at the bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, however only one out of the 3 is being shown. Next is the bathroom. In total, this house has 2 bathrooms, however only one out of the 2 is being shown. Lastly, we have the back patio. And that would end house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the tour, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.